Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to create a macOS app template on Xcode. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to have Xcode downloaded from the App Store. You need to click on the Xcode, and then what you want to do is you want to create a new project. And then since you want the platform to be macOS, you need to click on macOS. And since you are building a application, you have to click on application and then click next. So you can name your app to be anything. I would just say my first Mac OS template. And then for the organization identifier, you can put TechShorts or any name that you want to. And the interface, I would keep it Swift UI. The language will be in Swift because we are building an application. And then the storage and other settings will be also using Swift. So once you finish, you can click next. So you can save it in any way that you want. I'm gonna save it in the folder. So click create. This will create the macOS template. And usually when you build an app for the macOS operating system, this is where you started, right? So this is what it looks like in the preview screen. And when you build the app, the UI will be shown in the preview, but this is how you create the macOS template. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.